My name is Daniel Lee, and my channel is all about helping you to optimize your health and quality of life through Tai Chi and Qigong. In this video, I'm going to show you a very easy, very simple Qigong called spine breathing. Spine breathing is one of my favorite Qigongs because it's so gentle and it's so smooth. And it's very, very effective for activating the spine and for relaxing. And the spine is so very important for our health. I mean, if you just think about it. So our nervous system is basically the spine, all the nerves that come out of the spine and the brain. And so it's very, very important for our relaxation. And what we want to do is you start with your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width. A little bit wider than shoulder width, and you relax the knees. You can sit down a little bit. And the hands are very gently balled in front of you. Thumbs on the outside. And I like to have these very gentle fists. And you can see, it's very loose. It's very loose. Not trying to tighten up and tense the fists in the hands. Very, very loose. Qigong, most Qigong, it's all about gentleness, looseness, elastic quality. Okay, very good. So now we're going to stand up as we circle our elbows forward and up, and we arch the back. Elbows come a little down, and then we bounce the knees 1, 2, and then we round the back, rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the head and the neck, sacrum and tailbone, and we circle the elbows down towards the belly. And then we stand up, circling the elbows up and out. And a little bit back and down, small bounce, 1, 2, breathing out, rounding the back, circling elbows up and down. Rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the neck and the head, sacrum, tailbone. Good, and go ahead and we continue. I'll stand profile so you can see. We stand up, we round the elbows up, and little back and down. Small bounce with the knees, 1, 2, breathing out, rounding the back, rounding the hips and the shoulders, rounding the neck and the head. Very good. And we come up, breathing in, circling the elbows up, and now to the sides, a little back. And you can see my back a little bit arched. 1, 2, bounce, and breathing out, rounding the back, rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the neck and the head, sacrum, tailbone, and coming up, breathe in, expanding, circling the elbows up and out. Little back, small bounce, 1, 2, and breathing out, rounding the back, rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the neck and the head, tailbone and the sacrum. Very good. And I'll make mine a lot smaller now so you can see. For some people, not very flexible in the spine, it's okay. Then your Qigong is going to look like this. I round my back, rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the neck and the head, tailbone and sacrum. And you can see, now it's just a little bit more gentle here and not more. So you really want to feel your body as you're doing these movements, and if you listen to your body will tell you a lot. Small bounce and rounding. You want to listen as you go, how does it feel in my spine? How does it feel in my hips? What feels good to me? That's the key. Always breathing, expanding up and out. If it doesn't feel good, it's not Qigong's fault. You want to listen to your body. If it doesn't feel good, you're not doing it correctly for your body. So you want to listen to the body. Good communication is 80% listening, only 20% talking. Okay, very good. And continue, we breathe in. We do it with the breathing now. Breathe in, circling the elbows up, arching the back. Small bounce, pause the breath, 1, 2, and breathing out, rounding the back, rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the neck and the head, tailbone, sacrum, and coming up, breathing in, Circling the elbows up, a little back, down, small bounce. 1, 2, breathing out, rounding the back, rounding shoulders and hips, rounding neck and head, sacrum, tailbone. And breathing in, expanding up, circling up. Small bounce. 1, 2, chin a little bit down towards the clavicle. And breathing out, rounding the back, rounding the shoulders, rounding the pelvis, the head and the neck. Very good. Last one. Breathing in. And you can feel the spine is saying, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Very gentle movement. And then rounding the back, rounding the shoulders and the hips, rounding the neck and the head, sacrum, tailbone. Good. Let the arms fall down. And then we slowly roll the spine up. Very good. And we bring the feet shoulder width apart. Big circle with the hands, always breathing. Palms facing down and breathing out. Lower the hands down, down, down. All the way down towards the feet. Resting hands on belly, breathing in. And breathing out. Always breathe into the belly. Breathing out of the mouth. Relax the entire body down. And feel the feet connected to the floor. And relaxing. Very good. I hope you enjoyed spine breathing Qigong. If you found value in this video, please comment to let me know how you're feeling and any great benefits that you've gotten out of it. If you'd like to stay updated with my videos, please remember to subscribe by clicking on the bell icon below. Thank you so much for joining, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.